Occasionally we're contacted by a customer and they say that their Ausclimate compressor dehumidifier has a warning light that's flashing that indicates that their water tank is full. However, when they check their water tank, there's little or no water in it. If your Ausclimate compressor dehumidifier has R290 refrigerant gas in it, there's a couple of quick checks that you can do to try and solve the problem. The float in the water tank should have a small magnet on the end of the float arm. If the magnet is there, just move the float arm, making sure that it's not stuck and it's free to travel. If the magnet isn't there, it may have become dislodged when you last emptied the water tank. You might find it in the bottom of the water tank. It could have even fallen into the bottom of the machine. It could have fallen into a sink if you emptied the water tank in the sink, or if you emptied it in the garden or on the lawn. It can be very hard to find. So one way of having a quick check for it is to use a piece of steel and to run it around in the area that you last emptied the water tank, and the magnet will stick to the piece of steel. If you can't find the magnet, don't worry, we're able to provide you with a replacement magnet. But if you have a replacement magnet or you've found your magnet, make sure that when you put it back into the float arm that you put it with the white stripe facing upward. There's the magnet back in place as it should be. With the water tank replaced back in the machine, problem solved, it's operating as it should. If these simple checks haven't helped you, then go onto the Ausclimate website, select the Help tab and follow the prompts so that you can contact us and we can help you to resolve your problem.